Okay, earnings season isn't entirely over. We have been hearing from different companies of late. Let's quickly now go across and connect with Mr. Jaisahnkar, Chairman and Managing Director of Brigade Enterprises. The stock's been very excited, not just because of the numbers in the quarter gone by, but a certain land development deal that they're looking at in the city of Chennai. Thanks, Mr. Jaisahnkar, for being with us. Congratulations on what seems to be a great quarter. I'm looking at the basic numbers, and if you compare it sequentially, over the last 6 odd months, then your profits are up 44%, sales have increased, and you've also managed to expand your margins. How would you describe what's happened in the last 3 months?
Yes, thank you. So the quarter has been fairly good. It is generally our EBITDA margins have gone up to 24% from about 19 to 20 earlier. But of course, in the peak of 2007, it was EBITDAs were also in the range of 30% plus. So we hope that kind of percentage will reach in the next few quarters.
So you're at 20% EBITDA margin right now. You're
24,
hoping even
24.
24. And you're hoping
24%.
that you can go to the peak of 30%, which is, of course, the pre-recession peak.
Yeah, pre-recession peak.
Okay, and how have volumes done for you? And can you break that down in different segments on the residential side, commercial, retail? How are different parts of the market?
I would say this turnover is entirely residential. We have commercial sale revenue of about 130 crores, which will happen in this quarter, in addition to the residential. We sold a hospital building for 127 crores. That revenue is not included in the September quarter.
Okay. So, overall, how do you see growth momentum? And have you been able to undertake any kind of price hikes as well? How has pricing moved in the last 6 months?
In the last 6 months, the price rise has been ranging from 5 to 15% in different projects. And we expect the price sustainability will happen, and there will be further marginal price increases on a quarter-to-quarter basis in the next few quarters.
So how much is feasible right now in terms of price hikes, given the strength of the market?
I would say there will be definitely scope for increase of about 5% per quarter.
5% more going forward per quarter?
Yeah, per quarter. Yeah.
Okay. Can we come to this land deal right now? What kind of new development plans that you have?
This is a 21-acre development in Arcot Road, Chennai, which is in a very well-developed area in the city with excellent connectivity to different areas of Chennai. It will be a mixed-use development to construct about 2.2 million square feet or so. The selling prices in that area is anywhere between 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, though it is premature for me to fix a price.
Sure.
So we expect the turnover from the project should be in the range of 550 crores plus. But it will take for us 3 to 4 quarters to launch the project.
So after you come through with the launch in 3-4 quarters, you're expecting 550 crores from this one property alone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who owns the land?
This is owned by a private landholder. But earlier the property belonged to a MNC company.
Okay, so you are only acting as a developer on the property?
Yeah, we are a developer there. Yeah.
All right, Mr. Jaisahnkar, good luck with those plans then. Thanks for being with us. That is the story at Brigade Enterprises. Seems the southern markets are firming up. They've seen a good quarter gone by. They're expecting more price increases. They say they have undertaken a price increase of 5 to 15% in the last 6 months. They're expecting a rate of 5% increase in prices in the next couple of quarters as well. So it seems to be a firm market in which they're operating. Stock is up 3.5% for the time being. Well, that's it on the show for now. Thanks for being with us, but do check out all the top stories of the hour.